superhero.
Hi, hello, namaskara. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ Throttler. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm here at the KTM showroom to show you guys the youngest and the newest member of the KTM adventure family, that is the Adventure 250. So before getting started, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So here is the KTM Adventure 250. It's available in two different colors. This is the orange and that's black. And talking about the looks, it looks pretty similar to its elder sibling, that is the KTM Adventure 390. There is no difference in the looks. It's exactly similar to the 390. And talking about the engine gets a 248.8cc single cylinder liquid cooled DOHC engine, which is the same in the Husqvarna and Duke 250, which produce a maximum of 29.5 horsepower at 9000 rpm and a peak torque of 24 newton meters at 7500 rpm. And the front tires are of 100/90, and it gets a 320 mm single pedal disc in the front. The rear tires are of 130/80 and a 230 mm single pedal disc. It gets a halogen headlamps with a LED DRL and a LED tail lamp and the stock LED indicators, which all the KTM bikes get. So let's talk about the display. It's a complete LCD digital display, and it doesn't get the switches which the 390 gets. It gets a WP Apex forks in the front and a mono suspension in the rear. The curb weight of this bike is around 177 kgs, and it has got a ground clearance of 900 millimeters, and the fuel tank capacity of this bike is 14.5 liters, and the expected mileage would be 30 plus. Now let me turn on the engine and hear the exhaust note. So this is how it sounds. The grunt is good. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all like this video. Please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what kind of videos do you want to watch on my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe. See you until next video.